In case you missed it, Glendale for that guy right there, Nate Thrasher, didn't exactly go to plan. And if you did miss it, well, there is a replay coming up for you right here. But since then, he has gone into his Instagram and said, quote, Glendale was going good until it wasn't last night. As you probably saw in my heat, I had a pretty gnarly crash and was transported to a local hospital. Thankfully, I will be okay and leaving with just a bone bruise and a concussion, going to get some rest, then back to work. Thanks to my team and everyone who supports me. See you in Seattle. It's pretty crazy. Like, when you watch this, or at least in my mind, the way he hit the handlebars, the way he landed on his back, and then at the very end of this video, if you feel like watching all the way, because I would love you if you did, the way he had to get like helped to walk off, to the whatever the ambulance, not the mule, whatever they call him, Alpinestars mule. It did not look like he was going to be just walking away with a concussion and a bone bruise. That looked like broken hip, broken leg, broken ribs. Who knows what? But it's good to see that he's not. Obviously, a bad night for him. Lost a lot of points there and didn't look very good. Now he has to do a lot of work to get back, but it's good to see that he's not injured. He will be back racing. We don't have to worry about, losing competition or whatever you want to say it. So I don't know. You guys tell me in the comments down below. What did you think of Glendale? Did you like it? Happy with who won or whatever it is? Comment anything you want down there. And while you're down there, also make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.